In this video I'm going to show you how to upload custom thumbnails to TikTok. So first what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. Once you open up your TikTok app, you want to click on the plus icon as you are creating something new. Then you want to click on the video and then the thumbnail you created. Then click on next and then you have a video. Then again click next, and when you go to select cover, you just need to find the picture you had and click on save. And now as you can see, if you take a look at our cover, it's going to be just that. And if I pause this and I wait a few seconds so that it's posted, let's wait. Now that it's finally uploaded, you can see that this is my cover, and that's it. That's how you add thumbnail to your TikTok video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, leave a comment that it did. Thank you and bye.